Welcome! In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable Topics notifications on the X app so you never miss out on the content that matters most to you. Whether you're following your favorite interests, communities, or trending discussions, turning on Topics notifications ensures you're always up to date. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your phone's settings. This is where you'll find all the tools to manage how your apps send alerts and notifications. Once you're inside your settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section contains a full list of every app installed on your device. Next, from the Apps list, look for the X app and tap on it. This will open up the app's dedicated settings page. Here, you can manage permissions, storage, data usage, and most importantly, notifications. Go ahead and tap on Notifications. This is the hub where you can customize exactly what types of alerts the app can send to your phone. You might see various categories or options available depending on your device, but don't worry, we're going to focus on one specific setting. Now, select Notification Categories. This section breaks down the different types of notifications the X app can send, giving you full control over each one. From here, simply look for the option labeled Topics. Once you've found it, toggle the switch to the on position. By doing this, you're enabling the app to send you notifications related to the specific topics you follow, which means you'll receive timely updates tailored to your interests. That's all it takes. Just a few quick adjustments in your phone settings, and you've successfully enabled Topics notifications on the X app. This small setting makes a big difference if you want to stay connected to the latest conversations that match your passions. Now, whenever a new update or discussion takes place in the topics you care about, you'll receive a notification instantly. No more missing out, no more endless scrolling, just the updates that matter most. And that's it. You're now ready to make the most out of your X app experience by staying in the loop with the topics you love.